Hi, good morning to everyone. Myself is Mustaq. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science. After that, I have joined in Evision Techno Services. Then I joined in full day online job internship. in this internship, I have learned CCNA, visualization, Windows administration, Linux basics. After that, part 5 days, I have got offer from Genpact with the CTC 2.5. Thank you very much, Evision team and the trainers who give me this opportunity and clear my doubts in every section. Thank you very much. Who wants to get job in IT sector, my suggestion is to join Evision and get your dream job. Thank you very much.